guys, I will be teaching you how to make what is it called? Slime. Okay. So the first thing. Did I get it on my shirt? Okay. So the first thing you have to have. This is what I used, and it worked out perfect. So first, you will need a bowl, something to stir with, which is I use a spoon. You will need iodized salt. Okay, if you can see it. Iodized salt, and then you will need
a brother.
Stop it. And then you will need Bowl Silk Color Therapy shampoo.
And you
Make
need
sure
a butter.
it is shampoo. But you will
She
need
said poo.
But you will need Bowl Silk Color Therapy. Okay? And then you will need Nico, get that detergent again. Okay. Hold on a minute, he's gonna get it. But once you stir it together, it should look like this. Blue goop. Should be watery. Okay, and also you will need
You need a poop.
this. You will need Food and Flowers. Thank you, Mommy, for your love fabric conditioner. 30 days of freshness, Saltavision something. But anyway, so first you put some color therapy, not that much. Then you're gonna add a pinch of the salt, and then a cup maybe, or just like
Hey, quit doing at me.
like this much of this. So and then you stir it together, and it should look like this.
Oh, we went to the store and we got a lot of candy. We didn't even
Stop.
go in it.
It should look like that. See? But anyway, and then you freeze it. You can freeze it for like a few hours or a day or a few days, and it should look like goo. So it was Ashley Katzer here, and that was how to make goo. And comment and subscribe if you got goo. Bye. What was it? Type in the comments if